In this video, we learn how to create a date picture and a time picture. We have two buttons. First button opens the date picture dialog, and second button opens the time picture dialog. And we show a time and a date that user pitched. Create a new project and name it date and time picture. First, go to layout file and create two buttons, one for opening date picture and another for open time picture. Now right click on layout and choose new layout resource file and set its name to date picture and change root element to a linear layout. In this linear layout, we just want to add a date picture control and we set its ID. Now go to main activity. First, get a reference of our two buttons. Now create an event for our date picture button. We create an alert dialog and pass a context to it. Set our alert dialog builder title. Next, we create a view and name it date picture view, and we use view.inflate, a context, and the address of our view, which is our layout date picture, and null for its root. Next, we add this view to our builder. We use builder.setView and pass our view, and we use builder.set positive button, a text which is OK, and a challenge event for this positive button. And we add a neutral button as well, a text which we want it to be cancelled, and a challenge event we use null. Next, we create our builder. Now that builder created, we show it. Now inside our positive button challenge event, we get a reference of our date picture. We have to use date picture view dot find view by ID and pass ID of our date picture, and we create a toast which show months, day and year of this date picture which user selected. We have to cast months, date and year to a string. We use get months to get months. And use date picture get day of month to get day and get year to get year. Now run the app. This is our button, and when user clicks on this button, a date picture will show, and when user clicks OK, the date that user selected will show. Now create a new layout resource file and name it time picture. and change its root element to a linear layout. In this linear layout, we just add a time picture control and set an ID to it. Now go to main activity and first create an challenge event for our button show time picture. Next, just copy and paste our alert dialog codes and change some of codes. Change the title to pitch a time and change our layout to time picture and change the view name to time picture view and now get a reference of our time picture. Use time picture view that find view by ID and ID of our time picture. Now we create a toast to show hour and minutes that user selected. We have to cast this hour and minute to a string. Use time picture that get current hour to get hour and use time picture that get current minute to get the minutes that user selected. Now run the app. This is our two button. The first button shows a date picture and when user select a date and press OK, a date will show. And the second button show a time picture and when user select time, minute and hour and select OK, a time will show. Thank you for watching.